Hey guys, what's happening? Matt Teifke here. As you know or may not know, I actually grew up here in Round Rock, Texas, as well as Alex. We both grew up here, and Round Rock's a great place. I love the city of Round Rock. Some people say that I'm Mr. Round Rock, kind of making fun of me because I'm always talking it up and bragging about Round Rock, and I think it's truly a great city, a great American city, and I want to kind of dive in and talk about a few things that I really love about Round Rock. So please make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Andrew, roll the intro and let's get started. Number one, Round Rock location. Right outside of Austin. You can be in Austin in 15 minutes and go and be part of the music scene, the restaurant scene. But people don't realize that Round Rock actually has a lot of that going on here as well. There is a nightlife on Main Street, downtown Round Rock. There's a lot of great restaurants, new ones, local restaurants. It wasn't always a thing. It's been probably in the last 5 years that these things started to come about. So I love that there are things to do here. I love that you're very close to Austin. So just a general location and overview of Round Rock, it's a really fun and a good place to be. Number two, extremely good situation and setup for families. It's very safe. I've seen many years it's top 10 safest cities in the country, and I actually have 2 kids, and there's a lot of parks, there's a lot of things to do outside. You feel very safe. You feel like the police officers and fire department and the city officials really care about the city, and they want it to be a good place, and they pride themselves on that. So that is extremely important for me. Number 3, good school districts. I went through the Round Rock school system. My kids are going to go through the Round Rock school system. I feel great about it. Public schools, I don't really have to think about private options because I really do feel great about what the city and the public options offer. Number 4, the parks. People don't realize this, but there's a ton of parks, and the city's always putting new infrastructure in place. There's the Brushy Creek, where there's Veterans Park, and the dog park over behind downtown Round Rock. Old Settlers baseball field. Round Rock claims to be the sports capital of the world. And if you go out to Old Settlers on the weekend, people are playing cricket, volleyball, football, soccer, basketball. I play softball there once a week, and it's really amazing. People in Austin don't always think that there's things like this here in Round Rock, and they're little hidden gems. I take my family there. I go there myself all the time, and couldn't be happier. You know, they're extremely clean. The city takes care of them. And the last thing I love about Round Rock is the people. I think there's a lot of great people here. I'm blessed and fortunate that I have family and friends here that I grew up around, but I feel as if people in Texas in general and then Round Rock are very friendly, and people want to help. They want to help business owners. There's a lot of ways to get involved with the city. If you reach out to the Chamber of Commerce or the economic development groups, there's a lot of good things going on here. And it's pretty easy to get plugged in with the city if you really care about it. It's easy to understand who the local city officials are, the mayor, the city council, get to know these people. They're easy to get a hold of, they're easy to reach out to. And what I see is that these people really care about Round Rock. They're always thinking ahead. The city is set up very well on the economic side with the tax revenue from portions of it being from commercial businesses and portions of it being from residential, which keeps taxes lower for homeowners. So I'm super happy about that. Dell Computers is headquartered here, which is a big benefit for that tax base. And I just look at Round Rock and see continued growth over the years here in Opportunity City, and just getting around all these people, having the family safe environment, the schools, the restaurants, the nightlife on Main Street, all around. I think it's the best place in the country, I really do. And would love to talk about it more. I could go on and on and on about Round Rock. I love this place. It's done a lot for me and my family, and I hope that you guys can dive in and look at it. And if you want to move here, it's very affordable. You know, you can buy houses here for $350,000, even $250,000. It's kind of competitive right now, but the opportunities are out there. And if you want to move to Round Rock, we'd love to talk more. We want to be a resource for you guys. Appreciate all your time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think about Round Rock. Let us know your favorite restaurants. We'd love to talk to you guys, and hope you have a great day. Peace.